going to show you how to use the rectangle method for dividing. We have the problem 825 divided by 3, which can also be solved by thinking about 3 times what is 825. I start by drawing a rectangle. I put my divisor 3 on the outside and a multiplication sign here. 3 times the numbers I'm going to put on the top will give me 825. Since 825 has 8 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones, I'm going to divide my rectangle into 3 sections. I'm going to divide up my hundreds, then my tens, and my ones. So I have 8 hundreds. I ask myself, how many times, 3 times what is closest to 8? Well, 3 times 2 makes 6. That's the closest to 8 without being greater than 8. And since these were hundreds, that 2 stands for 200. I had 8 hundreds. I divided them into 3 groups. Each group got 200, and I do have some that I couldn't divide evenly yet. So I had started with 825. I gave 3 groups of 200, which means I used 600, and I still have 225 left to divide. These 200s need to be traded into tens in this column so that I can divide them. So I'm going to move my 225 to the tens column. Now I have 22 tens. 3 times what is closest to 22? Well, 3 times 7 is 21. So each of these groups is going to get 7 tens, which is what we think of as 70. So I started with 225. I gave 3 groups of 70. 3 times 70, I'll be subtracting 210, because that is 3 times 70. If I subtract this, I have 15 left, 1 10 and 5 ones. I can't divide this 10 up. I'm going to trade it for ones. I have 15 ones. 3 times what gives me 15? Well, that's 5. I used 3 groups of 5, or 3 times 5, so I will be subtracting 15, and I have nothing left over. So my answer, 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones, or 275. Thank you for watching.